Welcome back to Toys and Books Are Fun. This is the third episode of our coding series. Welcome to those who have already watched our first and second episodes, but to those who haven't, if you don't know how to create a Scratch account and haven't started your coding adventure, you don't know how to switch backdrops or create Duck's birthday party, then I would highly recommend watching episodes 1 and 2. Please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I've uploaded episode 4 and the next episodes in our series. So, today I'm going to tell you that we're going to create a new project. We're going to start a completely new one for this episode 3. So the first thing that you need to do to start a new project is you click My Stuff, and that's the folder here. So you click on that, and here it shows all of the projects that you've already made, but we want to create a new one, so we click here, plus new project, the new project button, and you select that, and it's loading the project for you. Now, today we're going to not use the Scratch Cat for this project, so we're going to choose a new sprite. Now let's see, we're going to choose for this new project, of course you can choose any one that you like, but I think I want to choose the elephant. And for our next sprite for this project, maybe I want to choose this. Which one? Maybe we should choose Gobo. He is very, very cute. So we have Gobo here and Mr. Elephant. Now as well, I'm going to explain the blocks that we have here. And before we do this, we need to check out the costumes. This elephant has 2 costumes. One is Elephant A, where she looks like this, and 2 is Elephant B. He's trumpeting. He looks very excited about something. This is Gobo. We're going to click on Gobo. You can also click on Gobo here or here, and you can go here. And Gobo, here he looks like he's talking. Here he looks surprised. Oh, that's strange. Okay, as well today, I am going to explain the code. So how to do the code. Now these are the motion blocks. All motion blocks are blue. They move your characters, they turn them, they are how the characters move and interact with each other on the stage. As well, we have the looks. You can also click here to go to looks under the purple looks. All looks blocks are purple. You can make your characters talk. You can make them think. You can switch their costumes. Next costume. You can switch backdrops. You can change their size. You can change their size and set it to a specific size. You can change their color. And another one, you can clear their graphic effects, show, and hide. And now we can also go into sound. This is just playing different sounds and setting the pitch, changing the pitch and the volume for your sounds. Here is the events tab, which is how you start all your projects when the green flag is clicked. You can also start some code when the space is clicked or when the sprite is clicked. All different hat blocks, which is how you can start your code. Control is all the orange blocks. You can control the code. Repeating it, these are loops. You can repeat code to make it easier and less complicated. That reduces the chance of bugs in your code. As well, you can make things repeat forever. If something does something, then repeat something. This one, if something does, for example, if you're touching something red, then switch your color to red. If no, just don't switch your colors. Or you can wait until something happens. All of these little things can be filled in with sensing. For example, if you look here, if the key space is pressed, then you can make it move 10 steps with a motion block or something like that. As well, there are all sorts of different things that can happen if you're touching colors and operators, but we're going to get into the rest of these later. So For now, we are going to start having a conversation. So the first block that you're always going to need is an events block when the green flag is clicked. And we're going to pull this out onto our stage. Now the first thing that we're going to do before we start anything is go into the costume tab and flip Gobo so that he's looking at his friend the elephant. So here he's talking. So we're going to flip this so it looks like he's talking to his friend, and here he's doing this. So we're just going to flip this and we're going back into code. Okay, so this is how you make a character talk. What if we pull out the say hello for 2 seconds? If you pull this out, he says hello forever, and we don't want this. So we're just going to make him say hello for 2 seconds. Say hello. If you click on the words, you can change them. So I'm going to click backspace. Hello, Mr. Elephant. He's going to say hello to the elephant, and you always click save, the SSS rule, save, and then we're going to click on the elephant. We don't want him to be trumpeting, so we just want him to talk normally to his friend Gobo. And now we're going to click go and see what happens. Hello, Mr. Elephant. It's good. Gobo says hello. Let's just make him smiling and talking, because I like this better. So now we're going to go to the elephant and how we make the elephant respond. Now there's 2 ways we can do this. Now the first way is, always remember, when you are on the little picture of your character, you click on that and it goes and selects the character that you would like. So whenever you click here on the elephant, it shows the code belonging to the elephant. And if you click on Gobo, it shows the code belonging to Gobo. As you can see, it switches the code whenever you switch the sprites. So when you click go, this code runs because there's yellow around it. That's how you know which code is running and which code is not running. So now we go back to Mr. Elephant and we can make him say, hello, Gobo. So as I said, you click on the text and you write what you want to write. So let's test our code for bugs. Oh no, they talk at the same time. This is not good. So this is how we fix it. First, we choose who we want to say first. So I think I want Gobo to talk first. Next, we have to create a broadcast block. Broadcast blocks are how sprites talk to each other in reality. So, for example, if you broadcast message 1, or you can change it. If you click on message 1, you can click new message, and you can broadcast, hello, Mr. Elephant. This will make it easier for you to know which broadcast blocks do what. And now when you click Mr. Elephant, he's not going to say hello, Gobo when green flag is clicked. So when you want to delete a block, just pull it back into where you got it. When he receives hello, Mr. Elephant, now he'll say hello, Gobo. Now let's test the code. Hello, Mr. Elephant. Hello, Gobo. Now they take turns talking. This is a very important rule for making them do it. Now you can make Gobo respond with, how are you doing? Or the weather is very nice today. Now to make the weather very nice for Gobo and Mr. Elephant, the first thing that we should do is choose a backdrop. So as you can remember, just go on to the little picture with a plus that says choose a backdrop and you click here. Now here we're going to choose something that shows very nice weather for Gobo and his friend. Maybe he is... what if he is... here. No, maybe he's here on the sunny beside the water, having lots of fun right by the beach. So we want to make sure that they're not inside of the water. So what if Mr. Elephant broadcasts back to Gobo a new message called weather? And you click OK. And Gobo, you go back to him. When I receive, it's going to say hello, Mr. Elephant. To change this, you click on hello, Mr. Elephant, and it will show all the messages you have. And you can click on weather. When you click on weather, you click on the looks and you make him say, for example, you can choose, the weather is very nice today. Let's test our code, but before we do that, we always save our work. Hello, Mr. Elephant. Hello, Gobo. The weather is very nice today. Now, if you want him to say it for longer because you feel like they're saying their words too fast, that's not a problem. As you can see, it says, say, the weather is very nice today for 2 seconds. But you can make this longer by, for example, clicking on the 2. Oh, I've accidentally clicked on this. This runs the code. It's just like if you click the green flag. But if you click on the 2, you can make it, for example, 3 seconds or 3.5 seconds. If you click away and you click save and you click go, hello, Mr. Elephant. Hello, Gobo. The weather is very nice today. As you can see, he says it for longer now, so it's easier to read. So now, this is how you can make a conversation happen between two people. So now, what if you make Mr. Elephant say something back? So let's see, what if, but first you have to make Gobo broadcast something. So you go to events, you broadcast. What should he broadcast? Yes, it's sunny. So what if he broadcasts this to Mr. Elephant? And when Mr. Elephant receives this, when I receive, if you remember, you click on Hello, Mr. Elephant to change it. Yes, it's sunny. And we click on the looks, and we can say, yes, it's sunny. But what if he's very happy that it's sunny? So what if we make him switch costumes? So before we do this, we have to always do something. When go is clicked, we'll make him switch his costume to this costume so it looks like he's talking. Now to know which costume the one that he has is, we go into the costumes tab. This costume is Elephant A. So now we know, we go to code. When go is clicked, you switch your costume to Elephant A. This way we make sure that when he switches his costume here to Elephant B, because he's very happy, then whenever go is clicked, he says Elephant A when he says hello to Gobo. As well, you have to make sure that you put switch costume to Elephant B before he says yes, it's sunny, or else he'll say yes, it's sunny and then switch his costume. But if you would like him to do that, it's fine. For example, if you want him to say yes, it's sunny and then trumpet, we could do that too. So if you want to make Mr. Elephant trumpet, you have to go into sounds and you can click choose a sound and we can search Elef, or you can search, for example, trumpet. And you can choose the trumpet that you like. I think I like this trumpet. So we can play it here and you can change it, make it faster, make it slower, louder, softer, as I explained in the other video, but we don't want to do that right now. So if you're back into code, then you can go to the sound menu, which you click on that, and you play sound trumpet 1 until done. Now let's try our code. First we save. Hello, Mr. Elephant. Hello, Gobo. The weather is very nice today. And then, yes, it's sunny. It's so cute. It looks like Mr. Elephant trumpets out loud. And if you want him to switch back into his normal, after that, you pull switch costume to Elephant A, and he'll switch his costume back to the normal elephant after he trumpets. We click save, and we're going to test our code one more time. Hello, Mr. Elephant. Oh, and if you haven't noticed, whenever his costume was Elephant B, if you want to try code, you just click on it. We're going to switch his costume to Elephant B, and whenever you click go, it switches to Elephant A, as you can see. So it's not Elephant B who's talking. The weather is very nice today. Yes, it's sunny. And then after he trumpets, he switches right back to elephant A. So what if we do something for Gobo, because Gobo is very happy about the nice weather too. So let me think. What should Gobo do? What if Gobo jumps around? That sounds very like he's very happy to me. So the first thing that we have to do is broadcast. After Mr. Elephant trumpets, he should broadcast yay to Gobo. So Gobo knows he's happy now about the very good weather. So when I receive yay, then we're gonna make him jump around. So what if we create a costume for him to jump around in? So I don't think he should be surprised. I'm gonna delete this costume because I don't want him to be surprised about it. So just click on the trash can with the X and we can make him to do this costume to make him look like he's very, very happy. Now when you're very, very happy, you can do this. You can switch on his arms. You might be saying yay, so you might be stretching your arms out up high, saying yay. So we can flip vertical. Click on flip vertical right here, and then it makes his hand go like this. And we can put it here so that it looks like he's very, very happy. We're going to flip vertical his other hand so that he's like yay! And you can make his mouth very, very happy too. So what we can do is go in a little bit so we can see better. Select his mouth with the pointer. Oh no, that's because his mouth is a line. If you want to make his mouth look very, very happy, we can do this too, using, for example, the rectangle. Oh, he doesn't look very, very happy yet, but don't worry, we'll do it. If you want to make his mouth the same color inside as outside, you click on that little dropper right here, and you click on the same color, the border, and then it fills it in with the same color. Now we're going to use this one that changes the corners. First, we're going to delete one corner. You select one corner and it will become fill itself in with blue. And then you click on the trash can to delete it. Now his mouth is a triangle. And now we can make it look like he's very happy. That's all. I think we should delete this. Yay! You can pull this top part in a little bit so that he looks like he's very happy. You can turn this line around and pull it. And as well, if you click on this, you can make his mouth bigger so that he's very, very, very happy. Oh, that's a bit too big. And what if we're gonna rename this costume Yay! Just so that we know, it's easier to tell that this is the costume that we made for Yay. And we're gonna zoom back out again. I can just click the equal. That zooms it all the way out. Just a little bit closer. We're gonna go back to code, which is here. Oh, we forgot to save, save, save. Save now. Good. Now when I receive Yay, we're going to go to looks here. And we're going to switch costume to Yay. But before we remember what we did for Mr. Elephant, so it doesn't look like this the whole time, we're going to switch costume before, at the very, very, very beginning, when the green flag is clicked, we're going to switch costume. You click on this if you want Yay, but we want it to be Gobo B, so you just click on Gobo B, and we do this. I forgot to show that here. Okay, so Yay! What if he jumps around like we said? So right now he's in the XY grid, 109, and Y is negative 57. So when Go is clicked, he'll go to 109 and negative 57. Now to make your blocks organized, you do this, you right click, and you click Clean Up Blocks. And that organizes everything for you. Now always remember, the motion blocks is what you use when you want him to jump around or move around or go somewhere for your thing. That's where I got the go to XY, which is also here because it's an XY grid, as I said. And then if you want him to jump, how high should he jump? Oh, very high. Maybe he jumps this high. That's quite high. So when you want him to jump, he glides. So let's test our code. So first, we should copy, or we can just make him go to X 105 Y. You can also type here. So if you click here and you want to make it the same as other one, -57, and we can pull this here to test our code. He jumps up, and we should make him jump right back down, or fall right back down, because you can't jump down. So we're going to pull another glide block and make it 105, -57. Now he shouldn't be falling at the same speed that he's jumping, so we're just going to make him fall a little bit faster. If you click on the glide 1 second, you can make it half a second. Or if you like whatever value that you would like, you click that save button and then you try it. Good. Now if you want him to jump a few times, you go to Control and you do the repeat block. The repeat block repeats it a set number of times that you can change. So you pull this, and if you put the top here, then it will go around these blocks. But if you were to put the top, for example, if you were to put the top here, it would go around this. But we don't want it to do this because then it would go a bit, well, you can, but this would be too much code because it already goes to X 105, Y 57 when it glides. So we're going to put this in there. That's also another way you can do it. Put this first right under and put this here. Now, I don't want him to jump 10 times. I'm not sure about you. What about 3 times? That's a nice even number. So you click on the 10 and you change it to 3. Now let's click Save and we click Go to try our code. Hello, Mr. Elephant. Hello, Gobo. The weather is very nice today. Yes, it's sunny. And then he trumpets and Gobo jumps 3 times. That's awesome. What if we play some music while Gobo jumps? You go into sounds or boing. We can make him boing when he jumps. That's even better. You click on the sound with a plus and you click, we're going to search boing. No. I don't think these are good effects for jumping. Let's see what else they have. If you click on effects here, you can see all the different effects they have to make things sound real. Jump. Oh, that's very high. I suppose we could make it quieter, but it's still not perfect. Let's look for the perfect sound. Maybe not. Oh. Oh. This isn't bad. Yeah, it sounds like he's jumping, so we can choose this. We can make it a little bit softer. A little bit slower. And a little bit slower. Yeah, I think it sounds good now. So we go to code, and we click on the sound, the magenta-ish color, and we play sound jump until done. So what if we do it before he jumps? We can test our code to see if we want it before. Now you see that doesn't work because it does it before he jumps. So now that's why we test our code to see what we should do. Let's try putting it in between. It still doesn't sound right. There is a way to fix this problem. You know what it is? It's quite simple. We can try it at the end too, just to see. No, this doesn't work either. So there's another way that we can do it. It's quite simple, really, but it uses broadcast blocks too, so it happens at the same time. We're going to broadcast a new message, and we're going to call it Jump, Gobo, and we're going to click OK. And when I receive Jump, Gobo, we're going to jump 3 times, we're going to go into Control, Repeat, we're going to pull it here, we're going to put Play Sound Jump Until Done in here, click on 10, oh no, we click on the Repeat 10, we change it to 3, we go into Events, and we change it to When I Receive Jump. Gobo. Now we're going to put a little bit of a weight here too. No, we're not. Okay, so we're going to try this. Oh no, it does play fast. So what if there's two ways to fix this? One, we can make jump a little slower. Oh, we can restart the code and see what happens. The weather is very nice today. Yes, it's sunny. It still plays a little too fast, so that's why we can do the wait 1 second after he jumps. Now it's perfect. So now when you find that perfect, you always have to tinker with it a bit. When you find that perfect number, you click Save Now. Now we put these here so it's easier to see them all at once. Save Now again, because when you move it, you can save that too. Okay, so that's perfect for our project of a conversation between two characters. We just click the green flag to go. Hello, Mr. Elephant. Hello, Gobo. The weather is very nice today. Yes, it's sunny. And Gobo jumps 3 times. Now I think that Mr. Elephant says yes, it's sunny for a bit too long. So what if we make it, let's say, 1.5 seconds? I think that's right. We're going to click away, and it saves that, and you click Save Now, and then you click on the green flag to test our code. Hello, Mr. Elephant. Hello, Gobo. The weather is very nice today. Yes, it's sunny. Now he says it faster. 1, 2, 3. 3 times Gobo jumps, and that's the end of their conversation. So thank you for watching episode 3 of Toys and Books Are Fun's coding series. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell because my goal is to make about 1 coding video a day. So I'll see you in episode 4.